Hi viewers, and welcome back to my videos. And in this video I would like to cover the topic of how to remove a crank from a square taper spindle. Basically, this crank is attached to a square taper bottom bracket. Here it is, cartridge 1. So let's say you want to remove it because you want to service that bottom bracket, or you want to replace that bottom bracket. So here is usually either dust cap, or there is a bolt like this, bolt or not, either way. In this case there is no dust cap, but this bolt has a dust cap actually. So usually you need either 8mm X-range like that, or a socket of 14mm like that if there is a nut there and not this bolt. Okay, so let's do it. Let's do it. Yeah, I've done it with one hand. Can use also this side when it's already loosened. It's anti-clockwise, that's important. Turn it anti-clockwise. Here is the bolt. Okay, let's put it aside for time being. For a moment. Basically, I want to remove this cartridge bottom bracket and put the old style cup and cone for the winter. Okay, the next step is having this kind of crank removal tool. So it has this 14mm socket if you have a nut, not a bolt. And then it's very important, you need to unscrew it completely, because this pin it extracts the crank. You need to unscrew it so that it would be deep inside. Be very careful with these threads. I mean with the threads when you will put it inside of here. So a good and advisable thing is to spray some SR80 or WD-40 or similar stuff, to spray it inside there to remove any possible sand or grit that could damage the threads. So I shake it a bit and then I spray it. Okay, so let's go ahead and very carefully thread this inside, trying not to cross thread it. clockwise. See, I feel that sand, and I'm very careful when screw it in. It should go without too much effort. Yeah. Now I will need to use my wrench. Okay, just a moment. Where's my wrench? Oops. Drop it there. Okay, I will use this kind of wrench. You could use different one, but still something similar. And then just thread it, just turn it till the end. It's very important. Okay, I need to hold it and then turn it. Okay, see you in the next video. Just a quick break.